Hi, my name is Jared Finnegan and I'm a graduate of Florida State University. At Florida State, I received my Bachelor's in Science and Information Technology. Welcome to my demo of the Son of Service. This is a volunteer management database. Son of Service, SOS, is a multi-user volunteer management database built for nonprofit organizations. SOS is a helpful tool for organizations with many volunteers or multiple volunteer coordinators. This database will keep track of your volunteers, their contact information, availability, work history, comments, reminders, and relationships. It will help you quickly find the right volunteer for the job, email them, and it will make reports about how you are currently using your volunteers. Since your organization helps people for free, and your volunteers work for free, SOS offers this volunteer management database completely free of charge. Download it, install it, and use it without buying any expensive licenses. Use it on as many systems with as many users and volunteers as you have. Use your choice of operating system. You don't need to buy any database or other server software. You can even modify SOS to meet your specific needs because the full source is available to you. Now let's start the demo. During this tutorial, you will learn how to add volunteers to the database, how to use the new search feature, how to track volunteers' availability and number of hours worked, as well as create custom fields. Now let's begin. Start by logging in using your username and password. This will take you to the home screen. At the home screen, we will then select Add New Volunteer. After filling in all the information, including email address, we will then select Add. Now this will bring you to the next screen and you will see that you have successfully added a new volunteer. Great! Now let's go to the volunteer's record. Normally you would just click the name Andrew to go see the new record, but let's see how the search feature works. To use the search feature, click the tab at the top that says Search. Then enter in the information in the form below. To find a specific person, use the Personal Information section. To find a person for a specific position, use the Skills and Interests section. Since we are looking for a specific person, Andrew, we will then type his name in the Personal Information section, and then press the search button. Or, if you want to make things a little faster, just press Enter. The next screen will show you your search results, and as you can see, we have 3 Andrews. The reason why we have 3 Andrews is because we added Andrew prior to this demo. Okay, now that we have searched for Andrew, we will then click his name to view his record. This will then take you to the next screen where you will see all of Andrew's contact information. Notice the new second row of tabs. This second row refers to the volunteers, while the first row refers to general areas. Let's browse the second row. General is like what we saw when adding a new record, but let's begin clicking skills. On this page, you could add what skills each volunteer has, as well as the levels of skills which your volunteers are at, whether it's amateur, moderate, or expert. In the Admin tab, you can even create your own skill names. Now let's add a volunteer's availability. On the second row of tabs, click Availability. The next screen you will see has 3 drop-down menus. This enables you to track a volunteer's availability 7 days a week, as well as what time during the day volunteers are available. Okay, great. Now let's track a volunteer's hours by selecting Work History. On this page you will have 5 different fields which consist of dates, hours worked, job description, quality of work, and memos, also known as a quick note. After filling in each field, click Add, and then the next page you see will have a chart with the volunteer's work history. Now let's create a custom field. Begin by clicking the tab at the top that says Admin. This will take you to the administrative menu. We will then click Add Custom Field. Then we will click String Line of Text, and then go down to the bottom where it says Field Attributes label to give this new custom field a name. Click Next, and this will show you the field we created and request confirmation to add this field. In this case, it's a cat's name, and we will click Add. The next screen will confirm the column that has been created successfully. Now let's find the field we just created. Begin by clicking the Search tab and typing in Andrew. Click his name, and then on the next page, click General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the new custom field was created. This will conclude the tutorial on how to use Son of Service Volunteer Management Database. During this tutorial, you learned how to add volunteers, how to use the new search feature, how to track volunteers' availability and hours worked, as well as create custom fields.